Hello, so welcome back once again. Today we'll be starting with the free key, the natural keys that we need to learn in order to sing any type of song. We need to learn natural keys. So before we go ahead with the natural keys, today I'll be just telling you the simple keys, one key that you can use and you can sing a song with that one key rolls. But first of all, I will remind you once again that first you need to know what is fret. If you don't know what is fret, it will be difficult for you to learn the guitar. So friends, those who really beginners, those who really want to learn guitar, first of all, as I have said, as I have mentioned, fret is very important. So today I'll be telling you once again, fret. What is fret? These gaps that we can find between the iron sticks that are lying, these gaps are called a fret. Okay, these gaps are called a frets. You have to know how many frets are there. Let's see in this guitar, let's see how many frets are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. There are 18 frets in this guitar. Most of the guitars which is really good, it consists of 24 frets, but here it is only 18 because the guitar is small. So let's go in the next. Now every string 6 5 4 3 2 1 6 5 4 3 2 2 1. All this has a key. So first I'll tell you what this sixth string, what keys it indicates. This will indicate E. Sixth string. Okay, 6 E. And the next fifth string is A. This will indicate A. And then next we have D. This string, third string, we call it as a D. And the next we have G. This string G, B, this string C, B, and then this one, the last number one, it is a E. This last string E. So E, A, D, G, V, E, A, D, Z, V, E. So for the beginners, you can play like this. Just keep your hand like this, up, down, just for one day. Just play like this, but you have to know which strings indicate which keys. Okay, so let us just warm up with the natural keys that I want to tell you today. You will be learning a simple key. If you know how to use this roll up, I'll give you 4 roll up in G key. Okay, G. Natural keys has A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, there is no other keys more than that. You can use like minor, major, and there's so many ingredients that you need to sweeten the music of the guitar. but naturally we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So today I'll be telling you, if you use G key, the natural key, the sweetest key, that will really make you easy to learn. So since I'm not a very pro and I'm not a very expert person, I'll be just telling you in a very simple way. Just learn, just try to use it in a very simple way. Okay, so here we begins. So the rolling for key G keys, you can start with in the third fret. You can use any, according to your convenience, you can use any type of fingers. So I'll not be telling you which fingers you have to use, but I have to tell you that in which fret, in which string number you have to press in order to use these different keys, the natural keys. Okay, so in the third fret, in the G key, in the third fret, you are going to put in the sixth string, just put in the third fret, and in the fifth string, in the second fret, put another finger like this. First, just to make it easy, see, just put in the third fret one finger. The second, put in the second fret in the fifth string, and after these two fingers is left. So in the last second string, in the third fret, put any finger according to your convenience. Put here. Can you please see this string? And then in the last string number 1, you have to put these two, and this one, and this string here, and here. Okay, so let's put 6th string third, 5th string second fret, and then in the third fret in the last second string, and in the last string. This is called a G key. Okay, G. Okay. Alright. And next we will go to, if you use this G, the next it will go to C. So in order to go to C key, first you need to put your finger in the third fret in the 5th string, here, and here. Okay, in the 4th string, here and here. Can you see this? In the third fret and in the second fret. So according to your convenience, you can put this, either these two fingers like this, or like this. So now first you have to keep your fingers like this. All right, you got it. Let's put your finger like this, one. Okay, and this is not completed. This finger is still free. Okay, this finger, the pointing finger, is still free. So in the last second string, you have to put your finger here in the last fret number 1. Put your finger, the pointing finger, over here in the last here. Put slowly your finger, for the beginners, put slowly like this, and like this, and like this. As I have said, first put in the third fret in the 5th string, 4th string, and in the last second string like this. So this we call this C. Alright. This will be a little bit difficult, so I'll be repeating once again. Put in the last here, the last second string number 5th string number here. Just put your finger here for C key. Keep your finger here. In the second fret, put your finger here. Can you see this? Put your finger slowly like this. In the third fret, put your finger like this. In the last, put your fingers like this. Okay, so this will be C. And then the last, we call it D key, the very natural sweet keys. This also, in the next class I'll be using this D key rollings. Okay, I'll be just using rollings because I don't want to make it complicated. So next, in the D key, how are you going to press your finger? Just look over here. Put your finger here in the last second fret, in the last string, third fret. Next, put your finger like this here, this string. Can you see this? Here, and then like this string, this one. Can you put like this? Okay. Alright. Once again, let's try again. In the last second fret, put your finger in the last string, any of your convenience, but try to use these 3 fingers. Okay, these are very good, these are very active, they are just like a young and handsome man like you, like a beautiful girl like you. You have to use these 3 fingers. They are very active, very smart, and they are still very young. Okay, so keep your finger here in the last second fret, keep your finger over here, one, and over here in the last second string, this one, you put here one more finger here, and a very handsome one finger once again in this third, this string. Okay, so now you gotta play. You can start like this singing sound. So we will start now. We have learned 3 things, the basic things that we need to learn. So here, 1, G, C, G, G, C, G. Okay, these are the simple natural keys, but I will add up here in order to see, whenever you make a curry or whenever you prepare something which you really like, you need to put very more ingredients that will make more delicious to eat something, right? In such a way, guitar also has a lot of varieties, things that you can add in your music, so that it will really sounds much more better. Okay, much more better. So I'll just give you one simple key in this roll up G key. You can add one very sweet key that is very simple and very easy. So we call it as a E minor. E minor. E minor. In E minor, it's very simple. You can just keep your fingers like this. Keep your finger here and here in the second fret. Okay, check, 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 check. Can you see this string, both strings? This string. Okay, here, check this one, check this one. Keep your fingers like this. Just, you can put this finger as well according to your convenience, but put your fingers in this string. Okay, when you use G roll up, you can add up. This is a very sweet ingredients, like you put in onion, garlics, or something like mustard well in your curry to make it more tasty, like ngari says. So you have to keep your finger here like this. Again, put again. So let us start now. Let us add all these 4 keys. Okay. Okay, so lastly, friends, I just ask your pardon because my camera quality is not so good, so I just ask your forgiveness. I ask your pardon, but try to learn. Keep your fingers dicky in the dicky also. In the dicky also. Moreover, you can just remove your fingers. Calm down. Okay, remove your finger, any finger, or you can put the middle finger. Come on, and again. Again, put this finger, this remaining finger also you can play. To the goal. Thank you guys, thank you.